Hello. So today I'm going to react to this video. Sellers should for CreativeFabrica assets. It's uploaded 20 hours ago. So let's watch.
Sales a year. So when two of my own community members contacted me about being sued after using assets that they downloaded from CreativeFabrica.
So like this CreativeFabrica, it's very popular because many Etsy sellers, they are directly downloading from CreativeFabrica. Even if they have license or premium account and they have a license per image, per download, you can get the license. But it's normally they are safe for personal use. But if you're going to sell, sometimes you will have a issue like this.
Last April, I got in touch with a few of the heads of CreativeFabrica to see how the heck this could have happened, as well as what CreativeFabrica planned to do in order to help rectify the situation. And for the sake of legal transparency here, in case anyone at CreativeFabrica is watching, today's video is going to focus on facts and my personal opinion.
Because to offer subscriber, I think they were sued by CreativeFabrica, even if they have license. So from here, I think they paid around $2,000 to settle those. That's why I'm going to give the links if you want to watch the whole video.
Did you know that you can create
Here, because in CreativeFabrica, the best way to use this is you can download any images, but you need to make an edit. You need to edit, select this image. In her example in the video, this one. So for $1, you can buy this one. It's very beautiful. But if you are going to sell directly like this in Etsy, that you will have a problem. You will get problem. So you need to edit this. Maybe put some background, some flowers, or you need to change some text, or you can copy the style. That's what I'm going to do for this. You can change some text. But for me, the best way to use CreativeFabrica is the fonts. Like freebies, if you go to freebies, there's a free fonts. Or there are premium also if you around $3 per month, $4 per month. So you can get premium fonts also, because the fonts here are great. There's so many options. So like this. So most of my clients are asking me to use CreativeFabrica. So whenever I use the fonts here, I'm sending them what the name of the font and the license, because I'm using their account also, my client account. So most of my clients who have selling in Amazon and with Shopify store are asking me to select fonts from CreativeFabrica. For images, what I'm using are some design vectors. For example, like this. So this, I collected this one and put in Illustrator. So these are the design elements that I get from CreativeFabrica. So you will get like this design. You can download like this vector in CreativeFabrica. Then you can just get the elements and you can use in your own design. So this is what I'm collected before. See? So this is the safest way to use a CreativeFabrica. So you need to be beware of how to use this one. So so every time I visit here, this is my main reason for coming here, CreativeFabrica, fonts and the design elements or vectorize. So this one is safe if you are going to use in your personal use, the bundle designs. T-shirt bundle designs, 400 designs like this for $3 only. So do not sell in the Amazon. It's unsafe to do that. You need to do an edit. You need to edit images, or you even use for example, like this. So you can use these animals but change the other text. Mix it. You can mix. That's the safest way to use this one if you're going to sell on Etsy. Okay? So avoid being sued by like this. Okay. Bye-bye.